if you've decided you want to go ahead and start selling t-shirts online, there are plenty of POD websites that offer this option. You can either sell your designs in their marketplace or sell them in your very own online shop. A great example of this is Spreadshirt. So to help you open a Spreadshirt shop, this video tutorial will take you through the different steps you need to complete before launching your shop. So to get started, first head over to Spreadshirt.com. Once there, click on the Sell option. This will take you to another screen where you have the option of either selling in their marketplace or opening your own shop. If you're not sure what the differences between these two options are, there's more information on that down below. So what we want to do is open our own shop, because that means we have more control over what our shop looks like and what it feels like. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and click Open Your Own Online Shop. This will take you to another page where you're going to have to name your shop and register using your email address. So go ahead and fill out these fields. Once the information is all set, go ahead and click Get Started Now. Next, you'll be taken to this screen. Here you have the option of either taking in a guided tour or skipping it. Let's go ahead and click on the guided tour. On the right-hand side, there will be a checklist of different items you have to complete before being able to launch your shop. So let's go ahead and click on the first one. So to get started, you first have to upload designs to put onto products. And this option is this blue button on the left that says designs. So go ahead and click on that one. And then here you can either drag and drop your designs or click the browse button. Find the designs in whatever folder you have them in. And choose the design you want to upload. So once your design has been uploaded, you'll be able to see it in this first square. Ours isn't super visible because it's white text on a transparent background, but once it's there, you can go ahead and click on it, and you can start customizing products. So as you can see, Spreadshirt offers a number of different women's products, men's products, products for children, and even accessories. So you don't have to sell all of them. So what you can actually do is on this left-hand side, you can choose the products that you want to sell. So let's say you don't want to sell any accessories. You can go ahead and click on this, and it'll remove all the accessories from your shop. If you want to sell, for example, men's t-shirts, but you don't want to sell v-necks, go ahead and click the option next to the v-necks, and it'll remove them from your shop as well. So just go through the whole list and take out the items that you don't want to sell. So once you have the list of items you want to sell, you can also customize the color that these are displayed in. You can click the three dots below the product, and this will take you to this option where you can change the color that it's presented in. You can also click on the dot with the color and just change the color from there. I'm going to make all of my options black so that it looks a bit more uniform in my storefront. And once that's all done, go ahead and click the next button. Here you can change the name of your design, add a description, and add some tags. This part is quite important because this information will help your customers find your products. So go ahead and fill out those fields. So once you've filled out the fields, go ahead and click the next button. Here you can set the price for your design. This might be a little bit tricky for someone who's new to this, but basically these are your options for how much you want to charge for your designs. It's not the total price of the product, just what you're getting for your specific design. Currently it's set to $1, and this tells you that the items in your shop will then range from $4.10 to $25.29. You can enter your own custom price, or if you're not sure how much you want to charge, you can also click their sample calculation. This will tell you that the base price of each t-shirt is $19.99, and you get $4 of commission for each t-shirt you sell. If your design price is set to $2, that means you get $2 for every t-shirt you sell as well. This leaves your t-shirt at a total of $21.99, and it leaves you with a $6 earning. But you can change the amount you charge for your design. So let's say we want to charge $2.50 for each design. This means that the total price of a t-shirt will move it to $22.49. And what you will earn from that is $6.50. So once you find a price that you're comfortable with, you can go ahead and enter it up here. And once you're all done, go ahead and click the create button. You can either upload another design or check out what your shop is looking like. So this is the information for our Good Vibes Only design. As you can see, the details of it are listed here. The products with the design on it are on the right hand side, the design price is below that, and on the left hand side is the design. So next up on our checklist is customizing our shop. So go ahead and click on that option, and it'll direct you over to the sales channels button. So go ahead and click there. Here you'll see what your shop is looking like. So if we want to customize what our shop looks like, you can go ahead and click the edit button. So here you can see what your customers will see. Your products are displayed along with the price and with the close-up of your design. At the top, this is the header image that's currently in place, and at the bottom is more technical information. But what we can actually do is customize this so that it looks a bit more personalized. So here you can change the header and the colors, as well as product details, t-shirt designer information, the shop name, and the information. So let's go ahead and get started with the header and the color. So click header image, and if you already have an image that you want to use for your header, go ahead and click browse to upload the file. So that's what it looks like with our own personalized header. And then you can go back and also change the color scheme. There's some preset color schemes that you can choose. And you can see what they look like with your shop. Or you can also create your very own. So let's say we want to change the background color of where our items are displayed. You can choose this option, and you can choose any color from here, or if you have a hex color in mind, you can go ahead and type it in. And that's what it would look like with a different color. So you can play around with all of these for your shop's background, your text colors, and just customize it to something that you like. Next, you can also add in your social media links. So this is a great option because it'll help people reach your social media channels as well. So as you can see, there's a huge list of different social media platforms that you can connect to your online shop. You just simply have to click on one, click continue, and it'll ask you for your username. And you can go ahead and add the link. And you can do this with as many social media channels as you'd like. Next, you can also play around with the product list in your shop. So for example, you can change the amount of products per page. You can either hide your social media links or you can include them. You can remove elements such as the price of a product or the product name. It's all up to you. And you can either display them as products or as designs. Next, you can click on the product detail page. And this will allow you to configure what you want your product details to look like. So this is what they currently look like, but you can have the product on the left-hand side instead of on the right-hand side. Just choose whatever you think is best for your shop. So as you can see, there are a ton of different things you can play around with to customize your shop and turn it into something that really is your own. So once you're satisfied with what your shop is looking like, you can go ahead and apply your changes, and you can see them here. Next up on our list is optimizing the URL and the metadata. So go ahead and go back into your shop and head over to the shop name and info section. So here you'll have to click on the shop name and SEO data. So this is our current shop name, and it also needs a description. So just write in a short description that is accurate to what you're selling. Next, you can see that they have generated a URL for your shop. Currently, this is what it is, but you can also change it. If you're satisfied with what it is, you can go ahead and keep it. And the next step on our list is launching the shop. So once you like what you've created, you can go ahead and click Launch Shop. And that way you can start selling your products. So this is what our shop will end up looking like with our social media channels, our custom header, and the changes we've made to our products. It's all really quite easy to do and quite quick as well. But remember, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below.